Mastering shutter speed on your Nikon D5600 is your secret weapon for capturing dynamic frozen action or beautiful flowing motion. Shutter speed controls how long your camera sensor is exposed to light. A faster shutter speed freezes motion, while a slower one blurs it. First, let's access Aperture Priority Mode. Rotate your mode dial to the A setting. In Aperture Priority, you control the aperture, and the camera helps you with the shutter speed, but we want to take full control of that shutter speed. Now, we need to switch to manual mode, or M on your mode dial. With the camera in manual mode, look at the information displayed on your LCD screen. You'll see numbers representing your shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. To adjust the shutter speed, locate the command dial, usually found near your shutter button. Rotate the command dial. As you turn it, you'll see the shutter speed value change on the screen. Faster speeds like 1/1000th of a second will freeze action. For slower speeds, such as 1/30th of a second or even longer, you can create intentional motion blur, perfect for capturing the movement of water. Remember, the exposure triangle, shutter speed, aperture, and ISO all work together. Changing one affects the others. If you choose a very fast shutter speed, you'll need to compensate with a wider aperture or higher ISO to get a properly exposed image. Experiment with different shutter speeds. A fast 1/500th or 1/1000th second is great for sports or capturing children's movements. Slower speeds, like 1/15th or 1/2 second, can create dramatic light trails at night or silky water effects. By understanding and controlling your shutter speed, you'll unlock incredible creative possibilities with your Nikon D5600, allowing you to tell your story with captivating motion.